Hey guys, welcome to another acrylic pouring video. Today I'm gonna go for the open cup, traveling open cup technique, and I wanna go for a split color base. I have a new color combo that I want to try out today. And open cup technique is a really awesome technique for creating cells without silicone oil or any other oil-based additives. So if you love getting cells without silicone, this is definitely a must-try technique for you. In case you're new to acrylic pouring and want to learn more about it, welcome to my channel. My name is Olga Sobi, and here you're gonna find a lot of tutorials and supplies experiments. And also I'm gonna include a few useful links for you in the description of this video. So check it out, and now let's get started. So here I have dark red, which is a mix of crimson red and deep violet, white, and the greenish blue, which is a mix of turquoise, phthalo green and phthalo blue, and also a touch of white. Beautiful color combo in my opinion, and I'm gonna use these colors for my split color base, my cookie cutter for the open cup technique, and as always I'm gonna include all the exact colors, brands, everything else you might want to know about supplies that I'm using in the description of this video, so please check it out. I think I want to have my turquoise here at the bottom. I want my red to be just at the corner here, and white in the center. Today I'm working on wood panel, and it's very cool size. It's 8 by 24, so very long, very narrow. I think it's really cool. I have never worked on this particular size before, so I'm very excited to see how the composition is gonna align, how it's gonna look. I think this size is perfect for a vertical type of composition. And as you can see, I have my sides taped, so I don't need to worry about covering them with paint, which is awesome. Alright, the base is done. I already love how these colors look together. So now I'm gonna do my traveling open cup. Let's layer the colors. I think this should be enough color in the cup. I'm just gonna add a touch more of my greenish blue color, and probably just a touch more white around, just to help my colors flow. And let's do the travel. I absolutely love how this cell's showing up, and I don't think I mentioned, but there is no silicone in any of my colors. All these cells are just popping from different intensity of colors and from Floetrol in my mixture, and I love it. This is just amazingly gorgeous. Especially love how this gold popping up. So I gave my cookie cutter, which is my open cup, a quick wipe, and I'm gonna do one more travel on my red side. I'm gonna add all the same colors except for I'm gonna add some of this color to this cup, and I added some of red color to my green side cup, not green, greenish blue, so they have harmony with each other. And I'm not gonna add any red to this red cup. The rest of the colors are gonna be the same. I hope it makes sense. I know the way I said it was sort of confusing. I think this should be enough. Alright, so this looks just gorgeous so far. I love these cells, love these colors together. I wish I had a little bit more red in this open cup flow, but even those splashes look absolutely beautiful. So now I think I want to blow towards the white little and play with this composition. Let's add a few swipes. I really love this composition, and I think these swipes really balance it out and, you know, make it one whole piece, because I brought some of this greenish blue towards my red, I brought some red towards my greenish blue side, and now it's all united. Yet there's a lot more weight at the bottom, and all these compositions moving towards the top. I absolutely love it. So now let's see how this beauty dries. So here it is dry. I have covered it with a layer of resin, and oh my god, look at this beautiful golden cells. It has dried really, really amazing, and all the details just shine in the light. This is like my favorite part about using resin, how much it brings life to the colors. I'm gonna need to give it another coat of resin and it will be all finished. I love this area. So beautiful. And I just wanted to quickly show you one more piece that was done with same exact colors but a bit different technique. I also really like this one. Some beautiful details. Yeah, let me show it to you this way. So cool. And this one, the second one, is already available for purchase, so let me know if you are interested. Alright my friends, please let me know how you like today's outcome, and if you want to learn more about open cup technique and different possibilities of it, check out this playlist right here. And in this playlist you're gonna find a lot more acrylic pouring ideas and experiments. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.